Hey, folks! Today, I'm diving into the world of tool bags to share some gems I've come across. No sales pitch, just genuine recommendations. And, of course, don't forget to check today's prices in the links below. Let's get started on uncovering the best tool bags out there. 1. Rhino USA Tool Bag Roll. The Rhino USA Tool Bag has proven to be a reliable and durable choice for users seeking a secure and spacious solution for tool organization. Users appreciate the sturdiness of the bag, emphasizing its longevity and robust construction. The high-quality zippers and substantial buckles stand out, providing a secure closure and peace of mind during transport. The thoughtful design of labeled pockets adds convenience, allowing for easy identification and access to tools. The removable bags contribute to the bag's versatility, providing flexibility in organizing tools based on individual preferences. Some users particularly commend the bag's ability to accommodate a significant number of tools while maintaining a compact footprint, making it an ideal fit for various vehicle storage spaces. Despite its overall acclaim, there are suggestions for improvement. A desire for metal buckles over plastic quick-release ones has been voiced by some, citing a breakage incident. Additionally, users express a minor oversight in the labeling, hoping for the inclusion of a specific category like Silver UDRIVRs. In conclusion, the Rhino USA Tool Bag receives praise for its excellent build quality, thoughtful design, and efficient tool organization capabilities. Users find it a reliable companion for various settings, from automotive applications to outdoor adventures. 2. Veto Pro Pack Tech XL Tool Bag. The Veto Tech XL Tool Bag has left a lasting impression on a diverse group of users, ranging from electricians to HVAC professionals. Its durability and organizational features have garnered widespread praise. The vertical layout of the bag makes tools easily visible and accessible, eliminating the frustration of searching through a cluttered bag. The numerous pockets and hooks, both inside and outside, provide ample space for a variety of tools. Contractors appreciate the time-saving aspect of the bag, emphasizing that being organized and efficient directly translates to increased productivity and profitability in their line of work. The bag's sturdy construction, with features like a hard plastic bottom, heavy-duty zippers, and a comfortable shoulder strap, contributes to its overall appeal. While some users acknowledge the bag's weight, especially when fully loaded, they find it to be a worthwhile trade-off for the convenience and durability it offers. The bag's ability to withstand various weather conditions, as highlighted by a user who faced rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, adds to its reputation for resilience. One user, an IBEW journeyman electrician, expresses a desire for a custom-made bag of similar quality, even if it means paying double. Another user, working as an HVAC residual installer, notes that the bag's professional appearance enhances their sense of professionalism on the job. The positive reviews extend beyond just the product's functionality, with users praising Veto's customer service and warranty. Instances of prompt replacements and a no-downtime warranty further solidify the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. In summary, the Veto Tech XL Tool Bag has earned its reputation as a top-tier product, delivering on durability, organization, and customer support, making it a valuable investment for professionals in various trades. 3. Rhino USA Tool Bag. The gear bag proves to be a versatile and spacious choice for organizing tools in the trunk. Its ample size and thoughtfully designed pockets, both inside and out, contribute to effective organization. Users appreciate its sturdy construction, indicating durability for long-term use. However, there's a cautionary note about checking the listed sizing, emphasizing that it's not a small tool bag. While some users laud its well-made and durable features, a critical review highlights a significant flaw. Within 3 weeks of use, the bag suffered damage as the zipper wire tore along with the bar, compromising its integrity. This raises concerns about the overall longevity of the product. Another positive aspect mentioned is the bag's generous storage capacity, accommodating a variety of tools. However, a careful observation reveals a discrepancy in the advertising claims. Although the company suggests a USA design and build, the bag is manufactured in China, challenging the perceived origin. Despite these mixed experiences, users praise the bag's heavy-duty construction and its ability to hold a substantial number of tools. A potential repurchase is mentioned, contingent on future tool bag needs.